Wherever you want to land. Let's go salty. No, let's go salty. Salty's smaller. Pretty boy here with another Fortnite video. Today we're gonna do my buddy's challenge. Live Coolcraft commented down below stating that we need to do a pistol challenge. So today we're gonna try out pistols, revolvers, deagles, and I believe that's all the pistol category. So, on with the video. Like, comment, subscribe below. You wanna take the outside house? I can shove it on dual. One sec. There you go. I got it coming out, like if you hear an echo, it's because it's coming out my TV and my mic, so then the camera can hear you. Oh, that was weird, I didn't pick up the pistol up here. Oh wait, it's not a pistol, that's why, never mind. Yeah, all it says is ranged, light bullets, machine gun. No pistol?
Nope, not so far.
Where you at? Here, take this. Hey, turn around, mini. Right here. Over here. Oh, you got a shotgun? See, I can't pick up anything.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, only pistols.
Well, we could head over to Dusty after this if you want. Get a couple kills.
Seriously. I got a pickaxe. I can't, there's a burst in the shack I'm not allowed to touch either. Okay, let's try this. No pistol so far, just a pickaxe. I'm down, where are you at? Oh, I'm down here with a pickaxe, bro.
Hey, I need to stay with you though. But you know, can't leave each other behind.
Oh, I know, I'm just trying to find a pistol real quick. Like, don't mind me. Yeah, but everyone leaves behind pistols. Oh, there's ARs and shit. God damn it. Come on. Yeah, I see 2 pistols right here. Yeah. Oh, and everyone forgets about this chest up here. Yeah, and I'm getting this chest. See if we can get some pots. Everyone always forgets about this chest. Okay, so since I had the pistol only challenge, it's only pistols, so I'm allowed to pick up like med kits and bandages and shit.
Oh, dude, I feel so bad for you.
What?
You got that thing.
Well, no, that's what I mean. I got 2 pistols. I got 2 pistols right now, but like I'm allowed to pick up like technically like shields and slurps and med kits and shit. You know what I mean? As long as I don't pick up any other weapon besides a pistol, I'm fine. Ah, clingers. Do grenades count?
Wait, you can't pick up clingers?
I don't know. See, I thought like when people said pistol challenge, it's just literally only pistols. So like I figured literally only pistols.
I think I should take this tack because tacks shoot quicker.
I'll take whatever you want. I just got the pistol challenge going. If you need any ammo, like I got so much ammo. I'm just collecting like.
Well, I think I should be the one giving you ammo. Because,
I got 40 pistol. All I need is pistol bullets. If you need like shotgun and AR, like I can give you all that. Cause I'm never.
I don't have any.
I'm not gonna use any of that ammo. Fuck, I want a blue pistol though. Okay, let's get out of here.
Yeah, we go.
The circle's right there.
Oh, we didn't gather resources.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna gather up here. Cause the storm's coming in 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, no one looted up here either. Dang, the only best gun I can get would be a legendary fucking pistol. Oh, there's a chest down here
Well,
too.
you can get a
Oh, yo, you want this heavy? Come in here. There's a heavy in here.
heavy.
Yeah, I can't touch it.
Hey, we can get closer though.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
You
man.
can take all. You can take. You can take all the good guns. All I can take is pistols.
Oh man, that is kind of mean, bro.
Yeah. It sucks, especially if I find like.
Sneak in one.
No, it shows my inventory. And it's recording, so like.
You can sneak in one shotgun. Here, I'll give you this one.
Nope, I'm not allowed to touch it.
We have all shotgun.
Oh, yo, yeah,
Oh, man, that is kind of mean.
I found a shield. Yeah, I got two green pistols and a common. Full
Whoa,
inventory of
I
pistols.
see 2 people.
Yo, come over here. I got a half shield for you.
I see 2 people.
Okay, one
They're
sec.
shooting at me. Whoa, oh, oh. They are literally. There's a revolver. There's a revolver.
Take it. Knocked with a pistol.
Gosh.
Come on, buddy. Come get your friend. Stop throwing grenades. I got a pistol with your name on
I'm
it.
not throwing grenades. I'm
No, he is.
Alright.
He's throwing shit out of his base. He can't even come get his buddy. Like, that's how sad he... Yeah, look at him. There he is. Look at him. Look at this little bitch. Look at this bitch. You want to rush? Oh, I can rush too, bud. Oh, you want to rush, bud? Whew! Oh, get him! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Take it! Take it! He didn't even hit me after 50. You little bitch! You just got taken out, both of them, by a pistol. Oh! Oh! Yo, there's so many good guns. Yeah, bro!
Yeah, see, I took off the shield.
Yo, do you need a med kit? I got 2 med kits. Here, take one.
No, I'm perfectly fine.
Oh, Storm.
Just,
No, I'm just
I'm
saying.
gonna need help.
No, I'm just saying I'm gonna give you a med kit because I got 2 med kits and 10 bandages. So we can get 100 health.
Is that a grenade launcher?
Yep.
Oh crap. Hey bro, we gotta go.
Bro, I'm already gone. Oh, there's people in front of us. Fuck, I need to med up first. Yo, come this way and go behind this rock. There's people that just knocked down a tree. Oh, I can see him. He's going to the shack, 2 of them. They're on the left side.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay.
I have
Here,
bandages, I'm good.
I was gonna say just heal full, bro. Trust me.
Oh, yeah, but no. Alright, I'll take it.
Here, I'll stack these. So you can have more room. Here, do you want actually 5?
Yeah, but yeah.
Well, I'm saying if you need
Alright,
it,
I got
if you need any more, let me know because I got 15 plus 4.
Alright.
I'll just be the I'll be the medicine dude, so you can have an inventory full of guns.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, that was close. I almost shot down that tree. Bullet.
Oh, and I got 2 spike traps.
I don't have any traps, but I'm good.
Oh, I'm gonna need them. Cause yeah, I know it's not a pistol, but hey, it's not a gun. Oh, revolver! Finally.
I think they left.
Yeah, they went down the hill. Yeah, I found a revolver. Finally. They went this way. I believe they might have went into tilted or around. Oh, did they get? Oh, they're right here. One sec. I want this dude so bad. He is mine. Headshot with a revolver. Ooh. Ooh. Take it. Fuck, I got 4 kills with a pistol, bro.
I am so bad. I am so bad right now.
Wait, hold up.
How is the question?
How do I got 4 kills with a pistol?
And then he hit me only once.
Dude, he didn't even hit me at all. I still have 100% health. Both of them didn't hit me.
I know. How did he kill me though?
Oh. Yo, if you need ammo, yo, there's a. Oh shit! Behind me. There's a med kit over here. There's someone shooting at me though. Oh, he's trying to snipe and I got nothing. Oh, this sucks. All I can use is a pistol. Yo, they're coming. Ooh! 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 I got one of them! Ooh! Yeah, that dude that got you from behind, I literally turned the corner and popped him in the head once and knocked him. That would have been 5 kills. If this guy lets that dude die. Nope. Aww, I would have had... Yeah, I would have had 5 kills. That was a pretty dope pistol challenge. For anyone that's going to watch this, thank you, and please comment. Let me know how I did. Goodbye for now.